How you going, guys? Nice to have you back with us. Hope you've enjoyed some of the videos. Hope you enjoy a lot of the videos. Please, if you get the chance, click that subscribe button. We'd love to see you more often. And if you like the video, please click the like button. They'll get better and better as we go on, as we do more and more weird and wonderful stuff here. Right now I'm preparing for a job that we're doing over at Orchiflower this week. And the problem is we're replacing stumps a couple at a time. And the stumps are 4.5 to 5.5 meters out of the ground. Big timber stumps we're replacing with these steel 90 by 90 by 6 mil, so they can build around them later. And yeah, those stumps have had it. And but to hold the house up when you got 4.5 to 5 meters up, you know, you got to jack the house up. You got to do it safely. There's no Jackrow you can buy that will do that safely. You can get Jackrows that'll do it, but not safe. I don't like them. And there's a chance they may fall out. There's just too many things that go wrong. And we've got to jack this house up to level as well, so I've got to get jacks up there. And there's no way I'm jacking up on an Jackrow that's only meant to hold a ton with a 15-ton jack, trying to lift the house. So we're building what we call Jackrows. They're like an Jackrow, just 100 times stronger, so we can put hydraulic jacks on top of them. And what we're doing is we're using a 90 by 90 column, 90 by 90 by 6 as a base. Okay, we already have one Jackrow that we have. It's only a little one. It'll get to 3.5 meters, but we've got to get to 5.5. So yeah, it's a long way up. So what we're doing is making some very heavy jacking posts, and what we're going to do is slide inside this 90 by 90 by 6. I've got some 75 by 75 by 5, which fits inside this. Just the groove. There's where is it? Here it is. Just like here, you see that? That's where the weld is. That's the weld in the post. There it is there. I've got to make a groove in these 75s on one side. The side that's going to go down that groove, I've got to make a groove because they're reasonably tight fit. Because we're using 5 mil, not 4 mil. If this was a 5 mil post instead of a 6, that 5 mil 75 would slide down quite nicely. But because it's a 6, there's not that much room in there, and I don't want much room in there because I want to keep the material nice and tight, so it doesn't flex too much when I get 5, 6, 7 ton on it. There's nowhere for it to bend. So that's what we're making, and Frank's there welding up the tops and bottoms and intermediate pieces. I've been busy cutting all those for him. Still got another couple of pieces to go. We'll show you more as we get the things start to going together. We'll probably have it together tomorrow. It'll take us 2 days to get this thing, to get 2 of these made. One, we're not working all that fast. We are doing as best we can, and I'm coming up with better ways of doing the same job as we go, because we want to make sure it's safe, that I can jack, because it's not just for this job. Okay, we're not making a prop. If it was just a prop just for one job and I'll throw it away, yeah, I wouldn't be going through all this problem. I'm making props that I can use for many years, so they've got to be durable, and if I'm lucky, as time goes on, might even be able to sell a few. So we'll see how we go. But that's what we're doing. That's keeping us busy. Frank's having fun welding it all up over there, making all the pieces, and I've been having fun designing it, and we'll start putting it together shortly, almost to the stage of assembly, and we'll do that in just hopefully later on today. So I'll do another video on that shortly, I hope, in the next hour or so, as we start putting things together. But till then, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, would you? That'd be very much appreciated. Okay guys, thank you very much. Talk to you again soon. Bye.